Click on Skills. There are two types of skills, hard and soft. Hard skills are teachable abilities that can be defined and measured. Skill sets that are easy to quantify. Typically, hard skills are taught through education, books, or on the job. Examples of hard skills would be accountancy, plastering, Microsoft Excel, and machine operating. Soft skills, on the other hand, are subjective skills that are harder to quantify. Also known as personal-driven, people skills, or interpersonal skills, soft skills relate to the way a person relates to and interacts with other people. Examples of soft skills would be communication, leadership, problem-solving, and decision-making. Common skills can apply across an organization. Other, specialized skills, only to a department or a specific role. Instead of assigning the same skills to each organizational unit, HR Selector allows common skills to be assigned at the top level and then inherited by all the other organizational units below. For the specialized skills, they can be assigned at the divisional or departmental level, where the entire division or department will then inherit the skills. To assign the common skills, select the top organizational unit. HR Selector provides you with a skills library that contains a number of typical skills that can be imported. To use the library skills, click on Skills Import. Check the skills that are common throughout the organization. For demonstration purposes, we will select Office Software, Communication, Numeracy, Reasoning, Analytical and Problem Solving, Organizational and Time Management, Decision Making, Teamwork, and finally, Initiative and Self-Motivation. If a common skill is not applicable to a role, it can be ignored when the role is defined. Click on Import Selected. OK. Then exit to leave the skills library. Skills can include two statements. The text in red is a description of the skill, primarily for the benefit of the recruiter. The green text is information or instruction, worded for the applicant. If no green text is entered, applicants will be presented with the red text. We want to change some of the imported information. Click on the Office Software Skills row edit icon. We will change the skill name to Microsoft Office, that being the office management system that is used throughout the organization. We can also customize the descriptions so they reflect the exact skills that are required. To save changes, click Save. OK. In preparation of our first campaign, to recruit a payroll manager, we want to assign some specific skills to the finance department. Click on the organization unit, Finance. Click on Skills Import. Select Accounting Software. Data Entry. Click on Import Selected. OK. Then exit. We will edit the imported accounting software and change the skill details so that it relates specifically to Sage accounting software. The recruiter can request candidates to provide a self-assessment of their own skill level, and/or request that the candidate's skill level is assessed by the interviewer. The settings here will be used as the default, they can be changed later at the campaign level. For this example, we will leave as they are the applicant and interviewer's assessments. Click Save. OK. Our demo company uses a specific payroll package called IRS Payroll Professional, which is not in the skills library. To add it to our skills, click Add New. Set the category to Hard Skills, Technical. Assign the skill name, IRS Payroll Professional. Enter information for the recruiter. Enter instructions to the applicants. Set the self and the interview assessments. Click Save. OK. Clicking on the top level will display the top level's assigned skills. Clicking on the Finance Organizational Unit displays the specific finance skills, as well as the inherited skills. By clicking on the Source Skills copy icon, an existing skill can be copied to create a new skill. The number of roles each skill is assigned to is displayed in the Role Assignment Count column. The added skills will create a library of skills, relevant to each organization. Later, when roles are defined, the skills that we have defined here will be assigned to specific roles.